Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up Eero with existing router. First, take your phone and download the Eero app from your app store. Once it is installed, open the app and create a new account. Follow the basic steps on the screen until you reach the setup section. Now move to your hardware. Locate your existing router or modem router combo. You need to power it down. Simply unplug it from the power outlet and wait for about 30 seconds. Next, take your Eero device and the Ethernet cable that came with it. Plug one end of the cable into a LAN port on your existing router. Then plug the other end into one of the Ethernet ports on your Eero device. Now plug your Eero device into a power outlet. Wait for the light on the device to start blinking. This means it is ready for setup. Go back to the Eero app on your phone. The app will detect your Eero device automatically. Follow the instructions step by step. You will be asked to create a network name and a password. Choose something simple but secure so you can remember it. Once the setup is complete, your Eero will take over as the main router. Your devices can now connect to the new network you created. Thanks for watching.